Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Follow the truth and say the truth. Yeah, I said the truth because it was the other one, it was the other L that accused this one that he slept with the other one. Later, this one came out and said, you also slept with this person. I said, yes, the two of you are right. How did I say one side? Because believe me honestly, if your wife, the only person that can come out to tell the world that they can tell and the world how your private part is a lady that has slept with you and your wife, maybe your side chick outside. If he tells you, I let you know, not by neighbor, I was not one-sided. So go and watch my program. I did even insult the movie. They said it's my friend. Up to the small boy Enugi. Even if I mention his name, I said they cause us problem for this Facebook. You understand me? So I was not supporting anybody. Get it clear today. So when they read minutes, already when did on that side, then make you look and say, what we talk, is your friend now. Then make you also say, they bias. I'm not biased. I said my mind. And anybody when talk to me, a guy, I'm still waiting for the video, my record to be played on page channel. Please, anybody who don't hear that record when I talk. Since I entered Facebook here, the only case that I've been recorded, that I spoke about issue was even these mad people who were in big shit, who cried to me that I settled the matter and they were still recording me of what I said in that matter. So bring it, let's see it. I was only making the same parable I'm making was what I make over that place. So I want to hear that thing. If you did not play that audio before I leave this case, I will use my right up to tell them how your mother died, what killed her, and what killed your father too. I will let them know. You know I'm from Muselu. We all know everything. But I did not want to go to a family issue. Since you want to start saying nonsense about me, because I advise you to stay clear from issues that you are creating problem. You destroy many houses where you and your co-hunters have destroyed many marriage, women homes, men homes, so many. So all of them, when they call them, let me go back quickly to that issue. Because yesterday when she was talking, one DHL woman, I call her DHL because she was posted from Nigeria to this place here. She knows I know her very well. And I know that she's the only person that can be able to say that stupid thing because she was annoyed of me that I did not gather Nigerians to donate money for their family when he lost when he chopped his Peking for Ravenna here. You understand me? Now let you do this word. Una don't hear for abroad. Not ever hear for abroad. Where person they donate money for person who lost a Peking. Una don't ever hear. And this is you people that have been living here for 20 years. We've lost more than 18 Nigerians in this place here. You, nor your husband, has not attended one single burial. Has not even paid 10 euro in support of anybody we lost in Ravenna here. I am the only sole person that was representing everybody, choosing people to go to house. Because wherever you are working, that's where you will get accidents. So I'm not thinking about this issue. This issue came up when we were trying to reform the Nigerian community. And we lost one of our young men here in Ravenna here recently. He was very respectful to everybody. Everybody who knows that guy, I don't want to mention name, who knows that guy was so pity for him. He died inside a train. It was a tragic death. And the wife has just 3 years old baby. My brother and sister, I do bad. Because I know the woman just got a job and she might be financially, even though she gets, but at least it's not too much because she's going to stay the rest of her life alone with that kid. I say, look, Nigerians, let's come back together once again. Let's see what we can do for this lady. People were using their mouth to rubbish. So when I formed this platform, this same family came up and said, people started collecting money again, want to do people money. If not because she did not mention her name on that topic, on that issue that day, I would have played the audio of what the non-entity husband said. Because nobody born of a woman in Ravenna can be bold enough to come out and say such thing on telephone with this organic developed society. So that is what I used to offend this lady. They claim I sleep in the kitchen. Well, this is my kitchen. No problem. If a man at my age, with the kids I have, can be able to sleep in the kitchen, you know I have a standard kitchen. My kitchen is as big as some people room who say they live in UK. It is no joke. My kitchen, I have a freezer here, very big fridge here, taller than me. I have a deep freezer here. I have a fridge inside it that is came with the kitchen. You can see my kitchen in my back. I have also a glass cupboard here that I keep my glasses and things that we need in provision things we need. We still have an oven. When we used to bake, we have a microwave. I have a dining table that I'm sitting here now. So you should see the kitchen is big as a room. In some rooms in England, family room in England, my uncle came here. When he saw my bedroom, was shocked. He said, wow, this is a very big, large room. So if I sleep in my kitchen, it's my house. If the house is owned by my wife, it's no problem. When two persons come together, husband and wife, they become one. But at least I command in my house. Whether if I wake up in my kitchen, I'll go and command the lady who sleep in the bed. It is good for me. But I'm not a man that cannot be able to command his house. I do have rules and regulations. If you offend me, I put you to a position. I respect people. Okay. And for those of you who don't understand what it means, because most people were saying, I read some comment. They say she was doing sex education. It's allowed. Sex education, sex education. But you don't even know what it means by sex education. Sex education is given to young, small girls who are moving towards maturity, who you need to tell the danger, the benefits, the ways they can put themselves right in case they've been chased or molested by men. Educate them how to keep the body when a small girl is coming up to see her period for the first time. When you teach her how to use pad and stuff like that, that is sex education. It's part of sex education. When you tell her how to use condom when it's ripe enough to make love, that is sex education. But a married woman have 3-4 kids coming out to tell another married woman to teach her how to make love with her husband after 3 kids. Oh my show. I don't know how they use English for here. All of them just come up for school, I just come abroad. Call a zoo for here. Because it says sex education. Carry police they look for public saying sex education. You must teach person. Anyway, we will not talk about that one. I they come for all of them one by one. Just 2 minutes. I don't want to go there again. So let me tell you what it means to be a wife, what it means to be a husband, what it means to be a wife. By this, my very good Nelent man, he said it all. Hold on. Hold on. Let me take it back. Hold on. Hold on.
It's not food. Cook the best food.
Listen.
Get it in a restaurant.
What a man needs. Hold on.
A man's desire is not food.
Listen.
Cook the best food. He can get it in a restaurant. A man's desire is not sex.
It's not sex.
Get it in the street through a side chick. A man's desire is not your attire. The greatest thing you will ever take from a man that will cause the beast in him to come out.
Respect.
Is his respect. Inherent in every man is a king and a beast. If you choose to be a queen, you will bring out the king in him.
In that man.
If you be a torment, you will bring out the beast in
beast.
him. In all cultures of the world, the last thing that a man cannot take, I'm talking from a generic point of view, is disrespect.
Generically.
So women are grossly disrespectful.
Some women know.
I tell you with all sincerity that the marriages before this period are far more better. There were no marriage seminars. There were no conferences. There were no lectures on marriage.
No sex education.
Marriages succeeded better because we were properly brought up in good culture. This thing called women emancipation has not been defined in a proper context. Women emancipation is the ability and liberation for women to enter into governance, not to dominate in marriage.
Enter governance in marriage, not to dominate.
The emancipation concept should be properly defined and then re-drilled again in the minds of women, because some women have taken this women emancipation into marriage. There are standards in marriage that no generation can ever take. The woman is to submit to a man and the man is to love the woman. That is the standard. But women emancipation has come to tell us that a woman has equal right and freedom Since women are president, they can also be husband.
Listen to the meaning of husband.
Women can be president. Women can be governors. Women can be due. But a woman can never be husband.
Lie.
Husband is not a position. Husband is not a rank.
Not be rank for army.
Husband is not an office.
Not be office.
Husband is an ordained responsibility.
Sorry, I don't know what is happening. There's a lot of wind over here. Oh my God.
A man's desire is not food. Cook the best food. He can get it in a restaurant.
I'm starting again,
A
please.
man's desire is not sex. He can get it in the street.
We've said it before. Hold on.
Through a side chick. To governance, not to dominate in marriage.
Okay, good.
The women emancipation concept should be properly defined and then drilled again in the
Women
minds of
emancipation.
women.
Nice way. What you would do so?
Taking this women emancipation into marriage. There are standards in marriage that no generation can ever take. The woman is to submit to a man and the man is to love
Is
him.
to love the woman.
That is the standard. But women emancipation has come to tell us that a woman has equal right and freedom. Since women are president, they can also be husband.
I lie.
Women can be president. Women can be governors. Women can be due. But a woman can never be husband. Husband is not a position. Husband is not a rank. Husband is not an office. Husband is an ordained responsibility. And until every woman comes to this point to understand that your emancipation will never come to the place where you will become a husband,
I lie.
then every woman shall take her place in marriage. And that
You understand? So, he said, you are not there to dominate the house. You are there to collaborate with the man. The man is the captain of that house. His duty is to love you. Your own duty is to respect. He said, if you want to see the queen in you, if you want to see, you want a man to act like a king and take you like a queen, respect him. And if you want a man to show that he's a beast, disrespect him. No matter how poor a man is. My brothers and sisters, take it very clear today. No matter how short a man is, no matter how small it is, you see a woman talking, say, I will deal with you. See, men will go very, very mad when a woman disrespects them. Every man are like that, whether white, black, yellow, or blue. But their reactions differs. You understand? So this woman emancipation when they talk so, now it calls you while I want with this one. When I saw that they do this education, now they do this enemy application. When you make love with a wife or a girlfriend or a side chick, and she's not getting the phone very well, she can tell you where she wants to get a phone. Must you want to be educated by one stupid woman who don't even know how to maintain his house or a house, who don't even know the right thing to do in his house, who has given, I don't know, embarrassment to the family totally and to the environment he comes from. Okay, so those of you who are saying that it's sex education, totally go and check what is the meaning of sex education. Hold on. Because sometimes English language is disturbed all of now. They come. But I know first I beg. Because when I go check what they call sex education. So I'm not here to start going out with them for war. But the fact is that everything I'm going to do to deal with those who insulted me forcefully, I'm going to do it outside social media. I'm going to do it privately. They go hear when, then they will make fame. Look my face very well. This is not my real face though. And they come. Anyway, where may I show you? Make I give you, because I say things with evidence. I don't like people who just come out because they go primary school or secondary school. I felt on say certificate na shakara. All of them they buy them. Those who graduated at the 2000 above, 2005, 2000, all of them are now copyright they get for the result. Not be all of them are sorry to use that language. They are still good students today, you know. Hold on. Because now they talk. 2 minutes. Echo. It is very simple. In English language. You understand me? Allora, see, I will read this definition to you now. Terms general, we say sex education is highly quality techniques, highly quality techniques, and learning about a broad variety of topics, related to sex and sexuality, exploring values and beliefs, and those topics gaining skills that are needed to navigate relationship and manage one's own sexual health. I'll start from the beginning. It relates to styles, it relates to how to request, it relates to how to enjoy it, it relates to how to take care of yourself inwardly. Okay, intimacy, let me use that word again. It also educates you on the procedures of things concerning your sexual organ. So, which school these people go when they fit to educate you on that aspect? Apart from telling us, say that put, can I go left, can I go here? And you just heard from a man just as I said that, listen, to win a man or your husband at home, it's not by sex, so. Because if a man has money, you see in Ravenna here, there's a lot of escort guests in Ravenna here. Escort guests, Cubans, San Domingo, Brazilians. Look, clean to the toe, clean. Tutto affare chicontairo. I read it on wall here. They will do you anything you want, better than what any woman can do to. So if it is sex you are looking for, you will not stay even with your wife. You will be single and be going there to get those best styles. Okay, he said, if it is sex a man needs to maintain your home, you will not even need a wife, because side chick will be giving it to you better than your wife at home. Because most Nigerian women will say, "May not going to say he too spoil." Most of them are even better than you that is educating them. They're just being shy, okay, or they just don't want to explode the world. Sorry, you understand? Secondly, it is not by gushing the best food to a man that makes you to win the heart of a man. I have visited a family in Ravenna here many years ago when they gave me semo to eat in that house there. The man was collecting it. He would wash and he would collect the semo. He would lick and put. When he called the semo, all my all 5 fingers were stained with semo. He blessed and starch. They gone. I just managed it and watched myself. I chopped meat. I come out. If my wife cooked that food for me, I'm not going to eat for us. But this guy were enjoying the meal because of the woman's attitude and character and the love he has for that woman. He was not looking at that food become so sweet. He becomes Dolce Gabbana in his mouth. Okay, so whatever you do, it respect that makes you wins the heart of a man. It makes him look you as a queen, because our duty is to love you, nothing more. You are there to give us considerations, to give us advice. You are there to give us anything you know that we are going to danger. You say, look, sometimes I will be dressing go out with my wife. Where are you going? As I go to this, you say, oh, I say, I'll look at it like the time I went. The way I dreamed yesterday, I don't like it. Okay, my dear. I go. What is that? Advice. But if she dressed, she's going somewhere else, say he's going to a party in Parma. She needs my permission to move. But I don't need her permission to move. I take her advice. I'll be very careful. But there are ways he will tell me not to go. I will consider her advice. She won't say, "Don't, you are not leaving this house here. Please sit down." But he will tell you, "Look, the way I'm seeing things, I'm not so comfortable with you moving to that place there. Please, my darling, stay at home. I don't want to lose you." When you see to her eyes, more time, I'll be telling people, it will say I read criminology, I will be too good. The mouth can lie, but the eyes, the face can't lie. It's nature. Your body changes immediately. That is concerning women who are trying to overpower their husband at home. It will not last. Go and mark what I'm telling you today. I saw them calling me old man, this and this. Oh, if I'm 50 and I still look the way I look like today, and you people are 32, 33, you've changed 3 layers in your skin already. 3 layers before you were totally black with scraps. We know each other now. Most of you trekked when you were when you came to abroad. You never bought slippers one single day. And most of you did not pay even people who sponsor you to this country. You understand me? So, most of you were black with scraps in your body. When you came, you see, you know, say some black, they black, some skin go black. You go tight, so they, you go the tear for back of leg. No matter the cream when you go use, you say before you use cream, it absorb cream. In body be like crocodile body. They will come Italy here, or come France, or come Germany, or come wherever they go to. They will first remove those scraps first. First layer don't come out. They will come remove the black color to brown. Because if you now let's just if you remove your own straight to white immediately, they're from brown they become white. In twinkle of 1 year or 2 years, you will see person when they say he knows the leak for Qatar for Nigeria before he becomes a big girl. So, what kind of sex education with somebody who came into Europe in less than 16 years of age? For a family to allow a girl of less than 16 years of age to come to overseas, you should know how many years they vandalize her. So, for you to carry your pussy to go and do international opium outside your country, not be Port Harcourt, you should know, and your mother was aware that you are going to do fiki. And he allowed you to go outside, and you come out to talk to me. If Yahweh is in my mind, Yahweh, as sober you be now, because I did not knock on your door in the public. I knock on your door in private. If I did not see the audio from now to 2-3 days time, or I don't my brother, I send the go that you will never see. I am not in those cockroach meetings you do within yourself and disgrace yourself. So my brother, Justice, I know it's a fake account. They listen very well. If you don't understand my English, write them down. Go find out for Google. Oxford Dictionary, make it explain to you. Or Pidgin Dictionary, don't do it. If you don't know, go check out for Pidgin Dictionary. So, what sex education with a lady that was at 12, she was already following men in Benin. Nothing. Wait. See. You see, that's how it be. 12. I'm showing myself to you to see. This is a man of 50 years. Look at my skin. You see my face? You see here? Oh my shit. The money that I spend taking care of myself can buy your car that you use. Every old war. So, you no fear. People, they come and say, I don't want to mention your name. You no fear, because I don't really talk. Something I want to do you, it day my mind. Wow, we are here, let up egwa. I really like it already happening. Me. My own say, we shall just forget. Even up the man you do, what told you. I used to tell Nigerians, my other people say, Ojina Giege. Mrs. Emu, Ojina Giege. When a criminal asks for change, he is ready to go to jail for a very long time. If a dove fly in the ground, you see the coo. He will moving up and down. Wait till they play band for dove. Nice ground the day. 2 wells. The 3-1. Who know they walk, know they chop pussy cash sheets. Now let Maka know the buy. Then we now. Eris over there. Ege Maka. What is Maka? You people live fake life in Europe. If you want to reuse human hair, make I give you address, make you alter that. Is your salary not finished? Human hair has never been, the real original human hair never low past 600 till tomorrow. Now go Alibaba. Why get why all that botak bakun 16 euro? Why don't you already want bleach one? When I see you people natural pictures, oh God, install a picture and I say, "Iga mwema we." Oh, be annoying no, a big baby, or better equal Vanna. We are here, 18 years of 20 something years of age. A Germany, you are all we be. You are all fear kun little. You are walking after, you might take one of the but you are all fear kun little. When you come on, if I eat or bow and we run, cool work on be attack on the walking. Attack a load, a walking. Stay there. I won't delete you. You will tell me your story in 12 months' time. That's how I allow you think I want to start dealing with everybody in this place here now. You understand me? So I know what I'm saying. I played that music just now, living a fake life. Now you live fake life. You want impress small children. And when you see people that calls you are dumb illiterates who never knew anything. That is total bullshit. What did they gain from what you are saying? Nothing. Come and buy your mind. Come and buy it. Shasha Christian Dior on the wear. Shasha Gucci on the wear. Shasha on the wear. Women, ladies that put on gold in Holland, in Belgium, I know most of them. They don't make noise. I know of ladies that bought gold for 10,000 euro, 11,000 euro, 7K. I know people who their gold worth more than 100,000 euros. I'm near the social media. Here come a lady who said, "Well, else winning, eh? Alema or what twagbe? Why were you 100 euro? Why they a chain of your euro for the whole year? Why give one? Watch me what I put on. Have you ever seen one day I say you walk very boldly? Everything you see me wear here, huh? Everything you see me wear here. Better than better than I go Latin. Those who are aware, we know what is this. I won't mention name because many times I see good product advertise themselves. You come out on board. Wear me a Chanel t-shirt. You can't even buy a Chanel t-shirt. Or how much more Gucci t-shirt? A slippers of Gucci cost about pants slippers. So the rubber I want to buy is about 180 euros original. Full respect to those ladies that wear what their hand reach, but they don't exaggerate for television. You can decide not to wear fake clothes, but fight for your body. But no, they come out because they embarrass people for as a presenter for Facebook or for YouTube or for whatever. You clothes when you wear for when you wear different clothes every day, different clothes. 2 years is 200 euros. Today people are lamenting that airports they seize on goods because when they carry fake clothes when Nigeria come. I warn my house. Check. I will take a permission to show you my white picture. You will see it. Nothing like all those bags, all those lace. When he rave for Alibaba, when they put a Dolce Gabbana, YSL. I really allow one. Our war. Who might there? Who are on there if you have money to buy the original. Don't start living a fake life. Look, Rude Boy, play me that music again. Because I like that music. All of them live fake life. Fake life for Facebook here. Because I play that music because of Una. Because the fake life don't too much. It don't too much. More than the use they do. Mostly Benin Edo women. Mostly Edo women. Una too much. Like you hear that person hear word. You don't fear. You call my name direct. Criminal. Except don't be so they burn you. We shall see. People will be calling. No, call my WhatsApp, please. Call my WhatsApp. I put the WhatsApp number there. Not this one. I'm not going to respond to this, please. Please, I'm not responding, please. Call my WhatsApp, please. Hold on, let me play this music. Call my WhatsApp. Okay, you understand me? You don't fear. You mention my name. You carry phone. When I call you, why you not let me talk to you? When you don't send me message finish, you block me. Why? Because you know I want to open your Nagabi. I don't just open. I want to bring that record. I was begging for you when they want you to take key for Benin. Now it's time for you. Beg for you. I call that lady back again. If that lady is around, now let her come and testify. See you alive. Fake life. Now use sticky, shake it, take Coca-Cola for house. Now come and make up. When I go see the results, I come for that one. Put on Instagram, put on everywhere. Close more children when I come to Europe abroad yesterday. Go to say that they wear Gucci, they wear Chanel. Fake Alibaba. Facebook now. A fucking alawayagbe. Niete alawayagbe. Rude boy, don't do. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm where? We're not in one. He only working, man. My father died at the age of 105 years old. My mother died almost 80 years. And I want to live like my father. And with my physique today now, maybe wagwana. The better 50 years in it. I don't hide it. But I look like 32. In every aspect. Call the other this thing. Is it not working? Call the other number. It's working, Abby. Call my WhatsApp 353. It's in the word there. Big sister, please call the other number. I won't respond to this because I'm using it already. You understand? Call the other number. The other number 353-335-6912. Please, someone should write it for me on the wall. If you want to call, please. Hold on. Please, if you want to call that number. Call the number, I will carry it, please. This one, no. Here, I see some people try to call. You can't be living a fake life. If you know if you buy something, forget. You see, all of them are the last person. Me, I'm not ashamed because I'm not to competition with anybody. I drive Fiat Punto here for how many years? Almost 3-4 years here the other day. I drive almost for 3-4 years for here now. But I buy that car at 46,000 kilometers. That car, as I put the key, he never disappointed. He don't go Vienna, he don't go Grasse, he don't go Napoli. He never disappointed. But those people go buy Jeep because they want to live on people's expectation. Oh no, why my WhatsApp is not going? Why are people calling this number? Cavolo. No. Excuse me. Abigail, come first, please. Let me try this number. I put the number there, not be this one now. Why is it not going? Where are you? 2 minutes. I said 353. Call my number, that's 353 for WhatsApp, please. Why are you people calling this one? I said 353-335-6912. You're calling me for the one I'm using. I'm coming though, because I said I'm 50 years, but make all of them when be even be 39 years old. We are here. Oh God. So make una get up, make I see una. Make I see. I never talked before. See. 50. You see, huh? You see, huh? Even 28 years old, you even like to lick my body. No. Okay. I wanna go. Careful. Do your praise. Do your praise. Do your Abigail. Do your name. Why is it not working here? Oh God. Sorry, my callers, please. I made a mistake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. Then let me go on live on this. Don't worry. Continue. Go ahead. Echo. Somebody's calling now. Eh? I call NI. Hello. 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 Are you talking about this live video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Which number did you dial? Which this number you are calling? Which number it is? Let me know. I have 2 numbers. Which one are you dialing now?
The one you placed on the current now.
353, Abi?
Yeah, TV.
35691 Abi?
No. TV5, TV, start 35, 30 TV, then 60 something. Then you check. Let me
I know. 6912. I know. Go ahead, please. So people are calling me direct here, so you should call that number, please. Because you just called the number, Nabi, or you Nabi. Why are they calling me direct like that? Let me put the number here again. Go ahead, I'm hearing you. Yeah.
All too much the social media now.
Yeah.
So and Wadure Enina re Nigeria Okariviane.
I know.
Nini Kariviane. Anomani la nya the Bedwa Viawa. Emeo Miewo is at the part. I don't really know the way to go about it. Because you know, if it was scramble their channel, their Facebook and everything, let everything be scrambled because so that one can have peace for once and for all.
Okay.
And secondly,
Titi Young, please, I don't understand. Explain very well. Go ahead, my brother.
The way if it's to scramble their Facebook so that one can have peace. Understanding?
Yeah, it takes a long process. We're already on it, but it takes a long process. Yeah. It will come to pass.
Okay. And secondly, we are doing the old thing una. Ihiminia bona. Orazo. Eta will come more time. Most of these people, most of these parents, their children will tell them, mommy, daddy, I'm ashamed of you. Because the consequences.
I want to pin the number. Explain to me. Sorry, my brother. I don't understand the English. Make I pin the number. I want to pin them. Sorry. Please. Yeah, go ahead, please.
So, the consequences of the consequences of what they are doing. Understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. I maybe Nigeria will wait TV Nigeria waiting apart from no here social media now. Understanding me? Okay. So my brother, you were if we move here Nigeria.
Yeah.
Because no good name, nothing okay. You want apart from all these things. And they may here in now it's because of laziness. And laziness is of over comfort. Because on one not getting away 8-hour job, 9-hour job, 10-hour job. I don't think you will have that time to sit on live video and be talking nonsense every day.
What's it about, my brother? What's it? So yeah, let me give some to other people to call and what's it?
Alright.
Yeah. Please, I go back again. Most of these ladies that are bleaching themselves now, they are white here, blue here, red here, green in the face. Before when I reach like my age, was one see running, when I got a wrinkle for body. So when you start calling person old man, it will be this one, not be age, be this one. This one has style. It is saying why the rest not this place here. There are people who got white hair even when they're 23 years. Even though I get white hair, I like them. Make I get white, make I for old. See, but you don't disturb my physical this thing. Okay. But I will not want to mention your people's name. This one say, oh God, I get you do prophet. All this one are fake prophet. This and that. Let me say, you be like those who know the hear English too. All this one you be Robert Banwa type for Nigeria before. I did not say the case is not in the palace. I did not say so. So you people continue saying it like your mother said it 3-4 days ago. That I said they bribed. I didn't say so. I said the proper channel was not followed. That's what I said. That means that it is not officially. They were not convocated officially. That's what I said. When I went to hear English, nobody say I talk. Did I say the matter is not in? But I did not say so. So if you know the hear Igbo, go find out to speak Igbo. Thank you. Hello. I'm not pin. I'm not be you call so now. Hello. Dimi.
I bet you took a bully.
I know see you want me say I talk to your people now, Abi. Because me know you well. Igbo because now she ate my mouth. I don't talk to her. I said they don't invite.
Concern your people. I want to just talk about the fashion. I just want to talk about the fashion when you talk. What it concern people.
Okay. Go ahead.
A praise waiting you wear. I won't tell you say we know they carry last for IT now.
Oh, he's winning well. I get to pay really my now.
You know now.
Oh, you know why they fear my sister, eh? You know why they surprise me? Yeah, get me home, Even if they go America, yeah, small chain, no go to 60,000 euro.
Where you put for head now where you don't want to talk. This one I Imperial Armani now.
God bless you.
This cap where you wear now, this now Imperial Armani you put for head still now.
I don't need to say it.
You won't tell me.
Because now you don't dare now. And I IT Milan mama.
Yes, I'm saying it. Because now we get them.
You understand me? Yeah, get back home. Yeah, the shasha. The whole chain. The whole chain na 20 euro for the whole chain. Our euro. Yeah, we are a party. Yeah, we have to fear. Once they remove that cap for their head, we are here. Atakalo them will say, this is my face. I don't make up. This is my face. At my age. So if you reach you are 30-something years, 20-something years.
Take her easy.
No. It invests me. You know why? Those can't guess,
Make up, you be woman.
No, make the makeup. Oh, you don't know. Say all those artists when they see for television, they make up now. To come on television, you must make up. But me, I know they do one because I want me to see my real face, and I even find parties on for grant. I'm very sure of that.
Really?
I'm telling you on a serious note. I'm not photogenic. It's the gospel truth. Most of these people, when I'm here, like family Nigeria, who are aware. A far like they criminal law for many years. How do I have to work me? Yeah,
I want to praise you for your.
Yeah, well, I like this your outfit, sir.
Too fine.
It looks sweet. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao. Allora, so I was trying to say something. Understand me? Remember, I told us I will go back to our road too. The reason why I be come out before now just to bring all Nigerians together before. We will talk something very reasonable. Have to move to the next level. Not be all these Afamako people. I don't blame them. But you let him say, at least they are real. But when they hate pastor, that's when you go call. They're going to use voice, different voices to talk. People, when they use fake accounts to talk for net, and now it was pass. If you're not here, two useless twins will get for Facebook. So I'm now addressing you, two of you now. That people, when they look, now the viewers are not your friends. Are not your friends. Now, person when they communicate with you privately, now be your friend. Or because I have respected a lot of you enough, irrespective of your age under me. But you both felt because you are getting one is close to 3 years when a great man has to fall. When you are advising that great man, Barry, he will not take advice from you any longer. You understand? So, what have I not said? If you talk in two different ways, it becomes a disgrace. That's a parable too. How do you talk in two different ways? By mouth and by the other side. When you talk a little bit, that is a disgrace. So, how do you want me to stop deceiving our people? Everywhere you go in the whole Europe now, Dolce & Gabbana, they even buy fake Adidas canvas and wear. Adidas canvas original you can get it for 99 euros. If you have fake by money, it can't have been anywhere in my life. Since I came to Europe in my life, I've never put on Napoli sandals or Napoli shoes. When you say put it on it, you are dead there. You are dead away. Me wa ri yara e go ni me ya de glass cake and me ya re we be me ya re long we la kin ya li baba we dey for 20 years e gba. Then you come to you open your mouth we to ite go ha go egbon what's the right go egbon o ro vera ro video on Facebook what's the right ro vie na me e me ya ti no gbo e and who say je okay who no better my boy. Go and market because you pull hand from my mouth. And I go bite you so then until you see that video whatever you want to say anything. You think I be like now. When you go to borrow clothes, they wear you borrow pants, you wear make to a thousand man. I don't want to mention it because of respect I have from some men who are involved with this nonsense. You just have to be like those kind of man. If I try to have fun, I have fun for full time and I'm in charge. If I want to have fun, I will be in charge financially, morally, physically, influentially. I will be in charge. Okay. Now we say now we do the talk rubbish. Now, I don't talk about before. If you not say a lie, Mona can't call me. I not talk to the men. See whether I will never enter outside. She's when I marry my husband. Go twank. Mona come and talk. You see, you just reduce a man of less than 50 years to become, he looks like 60. Oh, you want to back a mugbe. Oh, you boo. Hello, you are okay. Where don't. And the worst of all, most of these our sisters and brothers who came from that area, Mate every year say, "What is zoo? I will last me here to you." One ya to one go say, "Yaki ita Yaki better my you." We don't hear and I don't even take excuse. Working you do. I say, "What time I got a fear? You know, care. Be man one day any or dear my young guys. We are not you no so egg. I will say it in English language too. For those of you who don't understand my dialect, let me tell you this parable. When you marry a woman that is stronger than you, let me use English so that everybody will capish. If you don't capish, I will go for broken English, you understand me? He said, if a man that is very weak at home intend to be close to his wife in the night in the bed, he said, you know how you go close to the woman? Because you cannot be able to say, look, come, let's come to the bed. Let me say, they fear the wife. Say, when they don't sleep, you go say, Mama Julie, say, hey, walking, what did that? You say, yeah, not be quarrel now. Not be so. No, today I said they come for work today. I just see, you know, James now. James became, James my friend now. He became maybe Lola. When they born him with Julie, you say, hey, what did they? No, he went to get again. Do I explain that parable to you again? He they tell the way I say the person when they born Julie with, when they born together, the husband the wife don't already get pregnant again. He nearly born again. That's to tell you, say, it's hard time make Julie get Gino brother or Gino sister. Now, sex, they ask for so, man will marry, woman will pass him. He said for that, the woman just say, They go whether me, where you see them, he see them also place. Say the woman don't rest. Say the man will let her pass 2-3 minutes. He go advance with the right leg to the laps of the woman. If the woman not talk after 1 minute, he go not say, road don't declare small. Then he go carry the hand to turn like this, but she not talk. Then he will walk out go the other side. That is how they make love with them. And that is the same reason why I'm saying this. Hey, Saoji, you both should go and free your brother from this mess that is going on. That man is dying silently. Silently. There are many ways una ancestors say they react. Some they react very slowly. Totally. Everything I need to do to collaborate with those who are very good in this aspect, we will spend any amount we have to bring all your channels down with all the old videos and testimonies of those who have caused havoc in their marriage. All the people who what already I have here, and why cause a problem in family I have here. I'm not interested in this case. Okay. My topic when I come here every day was to talk about the problem facing us in Nigeria. And I just said, as I told you, I'm a freelance political analyst. I analyze political issues. You understand me? You understand me? Please, put on that TV, I beg. So, this is what I do for a living. Then I also saw somebody in one message they wrote me. Okay, somebody is calling me. Let me carry this phone first. They say I did chat for my wife. I didn't talk to my wife yesterday. Okay, it was my own junior daughter's son. Okay, hello. Hello. So, people start saying a lot of stupid things about you because when you come out to tell them the right thing, if everybody is like this guy, Edo Voice and the other guy in Spain, and me, and Amelia OFA before in Germany, before he started doing his reality show he's doing in Nigeria, and I don't know exactly what he's up to now, because I know he came back the other day. You understand me? You will come together like that, put your heads together, and try to promote and recommend issues that will help us as Edo people in our state. We make noise and make money. Our country, our state is dying. The Hausas are preparing to be very well united in their own region. Ojuduwa is preparing their own. Biafra is preparing their own. But the adults are looking like this. All of us, they will give signs and symbols. How can a man married with wife be on Facebook live by 3 o'clock in the morning? And you see our viewers. Somebody will come out 9 times in a day, and you will still have 1,000 viewers. You say, with the jealous man. It's stupidity. Empty drum make the largest noise. That's the reason. That is the reason. Hello, big sister.
I bet you feel block all this will be come off for here.
No, leave them, let them mind. Me not be like that. No.
Because they block their by
one. No worry. No. Let them say it. They prove their ability and their sense of understanding.
My boy solo strong si davvero, eh?
No, sister.
Strong si davvero.
They are not human beings. They are not human beings. Not your vest. Not be around. You understand me?
No,
I don't get problem.
Let's finish the live video. I want to be your admin. All these people I begin to that is I go they close their ass.
I will give you the pin. Correct. God bless you for that. As you just volunteer, so I'll give you the pin. Everything, okay?
All right.
Later, yeah, take it. Yeah. So, I allowed them to talk nonsense. I know they, but no insult me, or no insult anybody. No insult anybody. No insult me. You can say your mind. Get enough evidence of what you are saying. If you say you don't agree with me, hey, Patty Smith, be very careful. Don't ask anybody to close his mouth. Okay, I just corrected one point. If you say such thing again, I will block you. So let me tell you one thing. Even though you put your different picture here, even though you put your different name here, if I want to lay a curse on you, it goes to you. Curse is spiritual. It comes to you direct. I will use this picture, transmit this picture to you. So, don't ever use insulting words here. Say your mind. Be against me. I respect you for your views. Did I said that I said the two of them accuse themselves and they are best of friends. So for that simple reason, best of the same friend flows together. That is what I said. Did I accuse her? Mumu now you be. Read medicine. You go school. Did you go school? You go school? I don't want to block person. I don't want to block you. Since you don't want to hear a word, make I block you. Ciao, Apostle. Since you are saying nonsense, you don't go school. I have never wanted to tell anybody that somebody impregnated you. The baby you have is not for you. I've never told you, say, from the beginning, I said, come and go. No. I said, if two best friends are quarreling, and you said this man was the one that killed that person last year, and after 3 weeks, the other one say, now let me. Have you watched one video, an Hollywood video, when two best friends in school, one of them were making noise, releasing information of the other girl to men, how he borrowed money from the other woman's husband to do the birthday party. When he finished destroying the whole, that one said, hey, you think I'm a fool? Did you tell your husband you have a 6-year-old daughter before? Was it not true? Is it true? They were telling each other the truth because they are best friends. My problem is not what is going on. My problem is people keeping quiet and saying good things on Facebook. These kind of elements are the same persons, the same people when they support these nonsense people. Not only the women, we have some stupid men too. I just give you instance. Somebody was on live video yesterday. By 3 o'clock, he's not living in America. He lives here in Europe. By 3, sorry, no, you have here. I was almost 2 hours to close, or 2 hours, 7 minutes to close for my work. You think I belong to those kind of refresh should be. I know say she not go change, but the fact is say if you do gwa, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Once you start putting these things in my this thing, and you did not give me evidence or any reason why you're putting that red face, I will block you. Because I don't like to be a block person. I will block you. Because all of them are stupid people. You say, I can, all those your friends, when they follow them, they clap about them. Are they not men like me? Only way as our first Nigeria problem. 3,000 all of them they clap for that side. First Nigeria problem because you're lucky to pass bush enter house, abi? You understand me? First Nigeria problem. But people are not even listening to that Nigeria problem. Because Oyibo they give them 5 euro for year, 20 euro to the fuck now. They no Nigeria get problem again. Immediately, job people. Men, if they stay clear from me, I won't go to them. If you don't use my audio, like the foolish one was saying just now, I thought say the case on the palace. No, they hear English, no, they hear preaching. I can say, but why? You let them forget I know them. Oh, we are as a do, why we do? I can say, but why we must say, as a broken, why we fasting? That's how Allah. This is a mualega. Oh, nonsense people. You think I have time for this nonsense when I talk to you? So I will go back to my own topic when I did do before, which I have today. I said it before. I said it here before. Okay. I don't read the headlines to Nigerians then. Tomorrow we'll start the Middle Eastern issue. Well, or next tomorrow. I see the night. Okay. So I'll get them when I wake up in the morning, I'll get to talk. But pass the message to them. I did not mention anybody here today because wow, except anyway, let me reserve my statement. Look, my brothers, I'm respecting you guys that called me since yesterday, but I would never downplay this issue with anybody. I will never down. Man, go back and Facebook now. I was just coming up that time. on Facebook. No, no, le basa kiabi, ina latia. Wabi mami motive good. Edi mo fi me good abi. Wa gbe kan me mi arun awe. Nu wa ke challenge gbe Facebook. Wa ma gbe kan. Nu ke gbe ma gbalazi. Alazu mi gbe na. Wa gbalazi wo na. I know some of them are mad people now being all at least live for one room. All those one are organic family too. They say organic, whether it's not organic. They use so that they say organic. Anyway, let me go straight to the point. I came today to dare anybody on Facebook who's a presenter that can come out and talk to me, say, now so I talk, now so I gossip this one. No. I forgot to say, 2 cases are not involved. One case that I call FAE. No, 2 cases I don't call FAE. One was that girl, that boy when he died for Leche. When me and Gladys went to Leche. That was the first time I called FAE. He said, like, give me Gladys' number. Make I call her. Because I was not interested in watching this show before. I only come out to say my things concerning Nigeria and Edo State. Right from time, you know me. I know they go to those levels. He give me a number. I called Gladys. We agreed to see Leche. I went to Leche. And thank God, when I went to Leche, I brought 2 persons from Leche there who has a permanent job now doing in my city. You see, richness, success, it is not the money you have on account of. It is the ability to pass on progress to others. The progress you pass to others, that is your richness. Today, I can fully boast and I say, look, I have brought up this is this, I brought up this person is this, I brought up this one is this, I brought up this one is this. But none of you can bring out anybody apart from teaching them how to fuck, how to make love, how to cheat, how to insult others. None of you here has manners. Because we all know that even kids in Nigeria, if a girl by 12 years is already fucking in Nigeria, making love in Nigeria, what kind of advice you think will come from that kind? The trauma when this will pass through for Nigeria, because for a girl to carry an adult man and make love with him, you should know the situation that woman was, or the parents was. I never still talk. I want to hear your replica of this issue. Then I will tell you how your mother died. I will tell you how your party died. I will tell you what you want to do for your family. I will tell you how to get more money when I get that time before. Everything I will say, oh, carry me go court, carry me go anywhere. You know, say that you small, they not born you. You, when the boy you work more, you hold your mama trouser, rapper, they cry for I go market. When I go shop for you, you return go back. You don't forget me, Abi. Where? When they dash coins for, you go say, come brother, you reach abroad, you can't use organic tape, bleach your body. You open your mouth, talk to me anyhow. You say you get followers. Say I jealous you. You tell me wrong way. Idiot. You think I need followers? Real followers are those who you can call on phone and they will represent your difficulties. Me and you, we not get the same level. If not because this like when you know they talk for Facebook, who know that before? Even that city you left before you go to UK, people knows me. People will know me, people will know you. You mention name. You understand me? So for everything, you understand me? For everything that I do, I have my personality in my own that I kept. I don't count my riches with the money I have. I count my riches with my personality, with the achievement I have made, the impact I have given to people in my city here. People might say nonsense. Huh? It was that woman really get double mind, make him measure in name. Now I will know whether I'm up there is crash body go or I'm down there is crash body go. In me turn. You will try me for this city here, I will make you regret why you live for this place here. If you tell me what I do, I will accept it. Did I insult this man? He called me rubbish just now. I corrected him. I hear my brother, please. I hear you, Ijale. I just get upset because they dragged me to the matter. I only told them that I confirmed from the palace that they don't receive letter legally from anybody or any complaint legally from anybody. So that is the reason why Eddie Murphy was bold enough to use those words. Because he knows that. You understand? So whatever I see is what I say. When I come out, use my video till they get fans, till they get this thing. I don't need fools as my viewer. Because we all know in Europe here today now, 79% are illiterate Nigerians living in Europe here. 79%. So how can I get viewers of 1,000? Well, the intelligent ones are very few. And they are so busy people. Most people who have followed me, they don't even follow me on live. They watch my video later and they called me and give me recommendations of what I do. That they say, kudos to you, sir. Not to now in the 24 hours of inside house. If your boyfriend carry his cap, go back because market finish, enter house now do 7 on a job. All of them are 26 years, my belly don't swell up like a or don't wait for Oluku. All of my belly swell up. Boys of 20 years. When they'll tell me their age, wow. If I tell them my age, they'll say, bros, how far? How far? Watch your, open your eyes. Life is sacred. It's important. I love my life so much. Anyway, let me not go to this about this. Don't waste my time. My time for all this. I have said it. I will not use names here so that they will not know who I'm talking to. Now, if we can't digest about ourselves. But the person when you offend me should wait for me. Should wait for me. I be they respect my brother before when they come here and they say, look, forget about this matter. See, and I worry, we'll solve it. But okay, I don't talk me. Okay, I talk me. You fools. Person go day life for 3 o'clock. How you tell us a person day life for 3 o'clock? If you get job, if you work, how you tell no say person day life for 3 in the morning? If you have did 8 hours job to start up by 7 o'clock, will you be awakened to come and listen to one nonsense by 3 o'clock? Will you? I didn't see machine for the colors. This guy, my friend, waiting for Spain. Even at this point now, he does this inside his car. You know what? Reasons. Probably maybe he has occupied. Maybe his wife go work. He dey sleep. You know what made disturb him? He goes like I go to una no get house, no get anything. If they put una for house, now if you pay house rent, 2 of them will take 1 room for 250. Month end, we go speak English. But now see money they buy Morocco, they smoke igbo from morning till night. The guys go to smoke igbo, the boyfriend go to smoke igbo. They go draw tatuaji for everybody.